Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is a fabulous Aston Martin DB12, and I am Barry, Brand Director of QuickSilver Sound Architects. And what have I got behind my back that looks rather ominous? Well, this is OPF delete pipes for an Aston Martin DB12. Currently, as you can see, this DB12 does have a tightened rear section on it from QuickSilver. That's one component that you can buy online. And this is the creme de la creme. This is what you can get for your DB12. It looks relatively simple. Here we have the oxygen pressure sensor, stainless steel mandrel bent, handmade in the UK by some of the finest British craftsmen. And we've been doing them for Aston Martin since 1973. Well, not for the DB12, but for Aston Martins in general. So let's get these on the car, enough of my waffle, and really hear what a DB12 could sound like with our full system on it. Let's go. So this is Nat.
I'm the lucky man.
Yeah, and Nat was just telling me he's going through the driving modes, which affects obviously the ECU and how it sounds. Yeah, so what mode are you in at the moment?
We're in GT mode now, so that's the default mode of when it turns on. Your valves are shut. And then if you just let the audience hear this, or go Sports Plus, can you hear that? Valves open, revs increase. You get a load of smacks on the downshift. Loads more thumb on the upshift. It's really perfect and sublime and keeps it classy, keeps it to the nature of the car, 2-in-1 exhaust.
Ooh. Well, what did you think of that? This DB12 now has the dual QuickSilver treatment that is possible for the magnificent Aston Martin that it is. If you want one of these components, get to QuickSilverExhausts.com. You can order direct. There's also a dealer locator, so you can find a dealer near you around the world that can supply and fit these parts for you at your bidding. If you have any further questions, get in contact, give us a ring, email, love to talk. And I hope that your DB12 will have the QuickSilver sound it deserves really soon. I'll catch you on the next one.